The Galaxy S23 Ultra continues to make headlines. We've been talking about this handset for a while now, so we know quite a lot about the S23 Ultra. But new information continues to surface. ICE Universe has claimed that there will be a new display for the S23 Ultra. While it'll be hard to improve on the super bright 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED panel, and its fully variable LTPO 120Hz refresh rate, perhaps Samsung has an even brighter or more efficient display ready to swap in as a welcome update. Also, it's possible that this model will also suffer from the thicker bezels but no display size increases, although since the normal S23 and S23 Plus have flat display rather than curved ones, maybe it won't apply to the Ultra. But now the first leak renders have appeared as well as a matching case. On Leaks working with Smart Pricks put out a 360-degree video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra in black. Based on the CAD designs, the renders don't look at all that much different from the Galaxy S22 Ultra Plus. Reliable leaker ICE Universe has since said, some of the changes that appear in the renders may not reflect the real S23 Ultra, and that the cameras may have larger metal surrounds to them in order to prevent scratching. Galaxy S23 Ultra's Geekbench 5 benchmark is here and is looking solid. A pretty significant jump in numbers when we compared this to the last year's Galaxy S22 series, with scores slightly above the Apple A15 chip. Anything Apple A15 level is pretty strong from there on. It all depends on the optimization, since all S23 models are coming with Snapdragon 8 General 2. And now, speaking of optimization, the UI 5.0 based on Android 13 is rollover out for the Galaxy S23 models across Europe and soon for more markets. The S23 Ultra is taller by 0.1 mm, wider by 0.2, probably because of that change in the roundness, and also thinner, interesting enough, by 0.1. The Galaxy S23 is wider by 0.2 mm and S23 Plus is wider by 0.3 and both taller by 0.3. Now if you take a look at the back, you can see that both got the S22 Ultra style camera arrangement, so the camera modules are now setting directly on the back and there's no more camera housing. Then S23 Ultra, look at the front, the bezels are also thinner, especially the chin. However, the bezels are still not even all around the phone. In fact, the side bezel are 2.4 mm thin compared to 2.8 for the chin. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.